Once upon a time, the sun started sneezing. ACHOOO. Wind face. The clouds flew everywhere. The moon peeked out and asked, Mr. Sun, why are you sneezing? The sun sniffled and said, because the earth is so dirty. Smoke, plastic, pollution, it's tickling my nose. Down below, people were confused. Why is it dark during the day? Where did the sun go? Then a little girl said, maybe the sun is sick. Let's clean up. So, everyone stopped throwing trash. They planted trees and cleaned rivers. The next day, the sun smiled and came back. No more sneezing. Earth smells fresh again. Globe sparkles. Moral: take care of the earth, and the sun will keep shining.